I think it'll be fine. Space. Alright. Start game.
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebil's presence, lived Chipper and his son, Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin. Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa.
A woman?
So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built.
Why is he
Tyke and
black?
Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world.
Hello.
Mike. With this addition to the
Hello.
beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough. But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their
There's a
missing
duck.
beaver member and founder. After
Fair
a few
enough.
hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone.
Oh, hell
The
no,
family
he's
still
gone.
had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
So... Alright, well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age. But me, throwing you out on your furry ear. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Oh, why is his mouth so big? What the hell? Okay. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. And voice acting on top? Yeah. No one knows where he went. Really weird if you ask me. Anyways, I'll give you full control over our little lumber company, and I want you to be a great successor. Bro, why is he nodding continuously? It's making me laugh, bro. What is this? You will spend your days building robots and crafting even more things from the lumber you will be gathering, or the lumber you will be gathering. What's up, Kieran? What's up? Hello. Thus, you will soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I'm a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. Interesting. But remember, no one ever beats a good old Chipper. Beats good old Chipper. He truly was the best. Now get lost. It's your time to shine. We will start as soon as this Xbox disappears. Is this a game relatively recommended? Or what is this game? Karen, you can see in the bio, Tyke and Sons. And yes, she did recommend me that game. So this could be the first Alicia of the month, or the 7th of the month. I don't really know what to call it yet, but we'll figure that out. Alright, hopping into game. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can stay in contact even if you're far away. As if that would ever happen. But for real, you should explore our little company first before I let you off in the dangerous world. I'm counting on you, Beaver Boy. Promise me to make me a dad proud. No, a proud dad. Will ya? Anyway, your first task will be to plant some trees right next to the house. There isn't much space, so don't build useless things that we won't need, okay? if you want to re-listen to what I just said, press the walkie-talkie button that you will see very soon. Alright? Good luck. Good luck, son. See you later. Alright. I guess I am. Whoa! How do I... Oh, shit. Is there a settings menu? Oh, there's not a... Oh, I can't change it. Okay. Fun fact, Chipper and Sons, the original game, was one of Scott's games before FNAF. This game also inspired him to make FNAF because his fans said the characters looked creepy. Oh shit! I did not know that. This is giving me FNAF vibes. Oh shit! Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of giving me FNAF vibes. I saw on the picture on the Game Jolt website that it was like a animatronic thingy guy in the corner. I didn't really think anything of it, but yeah. How do I make lumber? Didn't have enough. Okay. Ah, I keep pressing the wrong button. How do I? Oh, I can go this way. Oh, can I? Whoa. Okay, so I need to. Ah. Hell yeah! Ah, I'm doing it. Oh shit. Hey. No. Should probably stop it. No, I don't want to overdo it, do I? Quick fast scripting, by the way. Alright. Go on, chop that tree. And don't forget to make some lumber. Oh, okay. Fair enough. How do I chop it down, though? Probably in my bag. Old saw. Okay. Can I... see? Whoa! Hell yeah. Alright. Plant. Craft. No, I wanna plant more. I think. How much do I need? I guess I'll find out soon. Let's just go for 3. Go back. What was I supposed? Oh, wait! I got a coin. What? Oh, I can click things. Oh, that's cool. Hey, this is really cool. I'm getting money. Hell yeah. Alright. What do I do now? Chop the. Yes, sir. Oh, craft maybe. Craft. How do I make? Can I go this way? Make lumber. I don't know how to make lumber. Oh. Oh, yes. Now, time to get serious. Collect enough items and build the brand new Chipomat. How do I do that though? Where do I go here? There's seems to be a bunch of stuff here. Okay, I don't have enough to make lumber. Okay, guess I'm gonna. Hey! Hey, what are you? What are you? Hey, I got rich wood, hell yeah. Oh, okay. Need one more lumber. Okay, fair enough. We would plant trees for this road. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Let me just do that real quick. Hell yeah. Okay. Is this enough? Oh, I forgot to make lumber. Okay. Now I can make them. Hell yeah. Build another. Oh, I get to build another. Oh, fair enough. Okay. 4 lumber and... yeah, okay. Stop, bro. Let me... so I need 4 more. Yeah, that's okay. Of course, it's not that big, but oh, hey bro, you should stream Pokey Rogue sometime. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Is it a game I have to emulate, or is it just on some random website? Ah, I need one more. Yeah. It's a browser game? Alright. I'll consider it. I'm not really that big of a fan of Pokemon games, but I'll try. Okay, bro. With links and see. Not gonna click on anything yet, since I still don't have enough number. Oh yeah, got 2 robots, hell yeah. Oh, let me just make some more. Guess why not? What's my task now? Okay, press space when I'm in front of the house. Alright. Oh, you forgot I was colorblind? Yeah, I am colorblind. What a rough day. You wanna go to bed? No. I wanna explore. How do I claim these guys? I want wood. Guys. May I have more wood, please? Log shed? They automatically give me wood. Okay. Well, okay, so I don't have enough red lumber. Check. Okay, so I can't make a frog shed. Cool. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna head to bed now. What, mate? Oh. Aha. All right. Well. Yes. Checkmate. Yes. And now I want to go to bed, I think. All right. Let me open the cabin for ya. Thank you, Tyke. Thank you. Since you work so hard, since you're working hard, what do you mean, muhahahaha? No. Since you're so hardworking now, we can switch places. Tyke is too close to a different word. Mike? What word are you thinking about, Mr. Void? Take your toys to the room upstairs. I will take the attic. Bike? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'm also very confused. Void, what is your, something not good to say? What? I'm a bit confused, sir. Just a bit. That's alright. Yeah, I'm also very confused. You're not alone. Alright, well. Good night, son. What is bro on about? Yeah, I have no clue. Hey. No, fuck, no, I don't. Ah! Okay, no, fuck, no, stop! Very important, if you see anything close to curtains, it's gone. Okay, hold the left mouse button. Okay, so it's just two controls. Okay. Move the, okay, move the mouse, click downward, check behind me. No, fucking hell. Right click, okay. Oh, shouldn't have done that, I should not have done that. Am I on the awesome stream? What I'm on? Yeah, I don't really know. Okay, yeah, press X. Go to bed when you're able to sleep again. Fair enough. Can I? Oh shit. You can sleep it away? I don't really feel that. Oh, sleep assurance is. Why is it like that? I don't. Or not? What do you mean or not? Should I be scared? gonna be scared. I'm gonna check over here. Oh, okay. Aye! Okay, you're gone. Hell no. Gotta check over here now. Hey, I didn't sign up for a FNAF game. I just thought this was a completely normal game. But sure. Sure. Hey, you better leave me alone, Mr. Robot. Or I call the police. When do I... think I... No. Was he knocking at my fucking window? Hey! No, I was not prepared. Holy... I am sweating my balls off right now. Gotta check everywhere now. I'm a bit scared, but it's okay. You only need to check the windows on the first night? Thank you for telling me that information. Stop knocking at my fucking window, you filthy bitch. Yeah, I gotta wait for sound cues. Yeah. Alright, well I'm gonna go get more batteries since I know where they are. I guess I just wait. Hey! Okay. Hey, thank you moderators for disabling this guy. Thank you. Bro, it's okay. Bro's not getting sleep? Nope. I am pulling an all-nighter right now. Yeah, what is sleep? Well, I have no clue. Don't know. Yeah, I don't know either. Also, we're here, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh my god, Mr. Green Easter egg? Oh my days. No, I didn't want to go here. Stop. I'm gonna go over here. I guess not. So, no! Shit, no. Please. I went the wrong way! No. Okay, I'm good. You think there's something wrong with my game? Yeah, might. I have no clue. Oh, press B to go to bed. I can go to bed. I cannot go to bed. Hello? You're trying to trick me. Hello? But there's people! I'm scared. I'll go to bed, and if I die, this is probably just some weird thing. Okay, press B to go to bed. Wake up. I want to wake up. Oh, how do I wake up? Oh, the early bird catches the worm.